cooking my version. Please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell to be notified in future videos. Welcome again, guys, to yet another video where the narrator isn't the chef and the chef is not the narrator. But guess what, guys? The narrator was in the kitchen for this one. So you know, if I mess it up, it's gonna be on the narrator and not the chef, not providing the information. So as you can see, oh, I'm not even telling no. We had the steamed fish today, guys. Then for the first seafood video, the narrator can enjoy some of the goodness, you know. So here we go, all our chopped vegetables, guys. This was the chef's and the narrator's first time doing steamed fish. Listen up at the end, or listen out at the end for the comment on whether it was a success or not. So without further ado, as you could see, all our chopped vegetables, our powder seasoning. This is our beautiful snapper. Yes, it did too big, so we have to chop it in two, and it was for the narrator and the chef. We couldn't get nobody else none, so we have to be a little bit selfish today, because you know it was always shrimp and mukbang and whatnot. So we have our fish seasoning and our all-purpose, you know, seasoning our fish. This is a different way of steaming the fish, or you know, one of the way they make steam fish, or however you want to season the fish or whatever. But it get seasoned. And first we have our powder seasoning going on. We now do the typical salt and black pepper, you know, that kind of outdated, or maybe because we don't know where I do, who knows. But it come off, not telling you right now. Alright, so as you can see, it's being rubbed with some of that beautiful, well, powder seasoning normally beautiful. So yeah, instead of, alright guys, something to note, Mr. Narrator cannot have any oil, so we got butter. And you know, so butter have, this is like salted butter, so it have it look a bit of flavor, look at that saltiness. So we just, you know, get the butter going. And as you can see, it's on low flame, guys. I keep on emphasize the part there, low flame. See there, the butter still melt and it's not burning. Alright, so we are throwing some away, you know. Well, pepper, sweet pepper. Well, we're throwing all our season now. This is how we do it. So everything are going at once. We just are throwing everything. We just are dash it in. You know, everything are going and cook up quick. You know, if you look on that, we're scaling on time. Gone in. The rest right there, hurry up. And I probably said, so much, yo, listen, that pepper, yeah, hot. Flaming hot, me I tell you, yo, the pepper hot. See? Alright, so we are throwing some tomato, and I probably said, throw tomato enough for no one. Yeah, everything are going at once, see? If you look at it, guys, low flame, nothing is burning, we're in no rush. Everything just take its time and come together. You know, we are united as one. Look at the color. Yo, I love to see the color in the part. I tell you, I should not even know a star. Yeah. So, I don't know if I can tell, but I'm Mr. Narrator this. Mr. Narrator in the kitchen with the wooden spoon. You know? So, alright, so season going in, cook it up a little bit. You know, throw a little water. Chef I said, throw more water. I said, easy no, chef. Still I go cover the fish. Alright, so we're gonna leave this for come to a little boil, and then we're gonna throw in the fish them afterwards. So watch out for it next. Oh, we're throwing more water. I forgot about that part there. And I mean that do it. See all them thing here. See all them thing here, people. So narrator not used to the kitchen. You know what I'm gonna do? I stick to one of the best. The whole heap of talking. Alright guys, we have some pimento going. Listen guys, only can tell say another chef in the kitchen. I tell you why say another chef in the kitchen. I be a stir, I stir up the pot. First, I'm not even used to the thing. I be a stir, everything I'm throwing in my stir, yo. Yo, I should not even know I'm really excited. But guys, I don't know when I get me going there. But watch it again, guys. See that? Oh, well on. And I mean this. And I mean this. Sorry guys, I was just reminded it was still me. Listen, when you're in the kitchen enough, see? come like all the whole of the glass I want to scrape off in the pot. So you know the kitchen often I them thing at me, you know, yo, Mr. Narrator, stay out of the kitchen. Yeah, me no man. See that all the bag, nothing in there, you have to shake it out. You see it? Yo. Listen to me now. No, I know me this a while ago though. No, I know me that. So when you want it come off good, you see, you stick by the chef. You see, I'm there follow the chef instruction until the chef says enough to get rid of me. So we will have all of these things listed in the description. So we have a seasoned fish. We'll pot come to a boil and we'll dash in the rest of the, we're gonna put in the pumpkin. You know, everything are going one at a time. You know, I can't chew in everything one time, you know. As somebody said before, don't listen to me half the time. Because I'm just a narrator. Don't be in the kitchen. Can't chew in everything at one time. You might make the thing saggy. You don't want a saggy, no. You want a look a bit, you know, firmness to the thing. Yeah, man. It's my favorite, yeah. It's the okra, pumpkin, some look a bit of Irish. You know, as I said, guys, it will be in the description. So it probably come to a boil, chewing all of your niceness, so just gone in, and then you put in your fish. At this point in time, I'm not gonna lie to nobody disappear. I don't know what I'm going right there. So if it, you know, if anything for go and say burn up and them thing there, I don't know. Then they end up gone. You know, cause it's what me good at ya. You see, could do them part ya. I'm good at the narration of the videos, and as you can see, the beautiful colors. Look at that. Come on, look upon this and tell me say it no look appealing to no. Look how much different colors you see. You can see orange, you can see green, some yellow. You know, you can see a little bit of red from the tomato. You know, so now probably I wonder like, you know, throwing what if a seasoning and so much water. It was just the right amount, people. It was the right amount. Probably a little bit more. See that? So probably wondering why so much water, guys. The video is probably not making it any easier for you, but this was a huge fish. If you look on the tail almost, you know, it make a diagonal line through the part of the circumference. You know, we are going at some maths, you know, and the head and the local piece of the body, you know, see there? And plus it got dry down a little bit, so you know the fish are going to steam on the pot of bubble, man. And as you can see, the liquid in the pot now look like say it long or well seasoned. It was perfectly seasoned, guys, perfectly seasoned. And see there, some tough crackers for top off the thing, you know. All right, so now you want to know the verdict on the fish. Listen, it come off good. It did come off good. And I know because me in the kitchen. Because I tell you, yo, me leave and them party. I never know when them party take place. I only hear when the fish done and them share out mine. Give me. You see? I'm going to see it later. But the fish come off good. The crackers they still have the crunch. The pumpkin well seasoned. The Irish. Look on that, yo. Probably look on it. I know say everybody on a fish lover, but if you're not a shrimp lover, lobster lover, crab lover, listen, this is my thing. Alright? Guys, it come off amazingly good. I give it a 10, and not because I'm in the kitchen, but it come off good. Thanks for watching again, guys. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell.